Would you like your credit scores increased in 45 to 120 days? Would you like negative items deleted off your credit report? Would you like to apply for a mortgage, car, major credit card, business, or personal loan and get approved? Here at Tyrone's Clean Credit Solutions, we work directly with major credit bureaus to get your scores increased and negative items deleted, such as judgments, collections, charge-offs, late payments, student loans, tax liens, child support, and even bankruptcy. Get a fresh start in life. We've been in business for over 11 years. We service clients all across the states. We guarantee 80 to 100% deletions. Turnaround time, 45 to 90 days. Our website is www.tyronescleancredit.com. Phone number 914-821-7503.